5 years challenge 2018 and 2023. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do and where to find this viral add your sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram profile, to your Instagram app, and from here you will have to type in Ali and John YTT to your search bar. Click on that, and now you will have to go to April add yours at highlights. If the highlights are not loading, don't worry, because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. Click on April add yours, and here you will have the first add yours chain story. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I also have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now you can just go to your uploads and choose a photo from 2018. First of all, I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And now we will have to choose our second photo from 2023. So for that, you will have to go to stickers from the top of the screen. And from here, you will have to scroll down and click on this plus icon. And it will get you to your gallery. I will go with this photo right here. Also place it where you want. Make sure to click on the sticker so it will appear up front. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share this with your friends. Guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below to this video. You can like it if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.